Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the blind spot monitor on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The blind spot monitor will alert you when there is a vehicle in your blind spot. It alerts you with an orange dot in the wing mirror. You can choose to turn the blind spot monitor off. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the blind spot monitor on or off. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the car menu. Choose Driver Assistance from the options. Scroll down to Blind Spot Monitor. Tap Active to turn the blind spot monitor on or off. When there is a check in the checkbox, the blind spot monitor is active. And when there is no check in the checkbox, the blind spot monitor is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.